It's the second week of January, and I'm laying down in my room, and I'm just hearing these weird noises. Like, the fuck is that shit? It's fucking bugged out.